My name is Masa Tanaka from Monaca. So let me start right now. So our service is called Monaca, which allows mobile developers to create their mobile applications very easily. How can I? Oh yeah, there it is. Sorry. So Monaca, in principle, this is a cloud service for HTML5 developers to build their own applications. Very easy. So most of the guys here, I think you probably know about HTML5. HTML5 is a future for delivering mobile applications, but not only mobile applications. That is the that is the platform for like Nintendo Wii U, which is the game platform, or maybe the television, or maybe the computer, or maybe digital signage. All the devices here will run under HTML5. So HTML5 is the key for a content platform for delivering those new technologies. But there's a problem for HTML5. Most of the developers feel that it is very difficult to develop because of the development environment is still not like sophisticated and the debugging support is not still done. So that's why we created Monaca. So Monaca is a truly browser-based service, which is very like so you only need a browser to build the mobile applications. I will show you in just a few minutes. And we also embed very powerful code editor, which has the like code completions, encoding, TypeScript, and SAS and more. Those kind of like developer gig-like features, and powerful debugger and the development tool is also embedded. And you can also use the jQuery or Backbone.js or any other libraries for ecosystem for HTML5 to create those kind of applications. So this is a demo for Monaca. Once you just open up your browser, maybe Safari or maybe Chrome, whatever you like, and just point to our website and just that. You right hand side there's a login button, so I will add my account. I will log into my account, and then you will get this kind of dashboard. This dashboard allows you to manage your own applications. So for example, you want to create a new project. So I will add new project. I will click here. And then you can select from the various kind of applications written by HTML5, and that's that. So just click some of the one here. So I will click and start IDE, and then this kind of IDE will run. So this is this is a browser-based application. So this is actually runs on your browser. So again, so you want to execute this application, so just click preview, and then this kind of preview will happen. So this is the static image. So the thing is not running, but actually, this is not running here. But you will see that this application will run very smoothly. And also, I'm bringing my Monaca debugger. This is the Monaca debugger, comes with this IDE, and we also provide this for Android and iOS and Windows 8 version. So this is connected to this IDE, so that once you type in here, you can easily simulate the source code. Actually, you can run the source code inside your device, whatever device you want. Just install Monaca debugger, and that debugger will be the debugging tool that combines with this IDE. So I can do the real demo for the Monaca debugger running on IDE. So I will try to run it. The network connection is not good here. I'll try to do it. Yeah. So I open up the IDE, and it's loading now. Hopefully it will finish loading. The debugger will download the software from the Monaca cloud and run in this device. Unfortunately, the network connection is not good here, so it's not running. So I will demonstrate this later when this is up. And also, you can actually build this application inside Monaca. So what I mean is that you don't need to install any local softwares like Android SDK, iPhone SDK, or even you don't need to purchase a Mac to build iPhone applications. You just go to our browser based IDE, and you can actually build for Android and iOS and Windows 8. And in future, we may release like Firefox OS, Tizen, digital signage, we use those kind of available devices, which by HTML5. So yeah, this is the successful for Android build button. This is very easy. You don't take so much time, just a very few time and short time, and you will be able to download the package that is compiled by our IDE. And again, this is not just a development tool. This is actually an entire platform, which means we combine like cloud service and integrated collaboration functions inside the platform. So yeah, sorry for delay, but this is the Monaca debugger running on iOS. So it runs very like it is actually the very same application that was running on IDE, and it's the same. So finally, we have gained 15,000 users already in Japan. We are actually coming from Japan, and this is actually a Japan domestic service. And we want to expand our business into global, especially Europe, because there are so many open source engineers here. They like HTML5 technology, so I think they are very eager to adapt this kind of solution for their applications. And the bottom here are some of the applications built by Japanese developers using Monaca. And I hope more people will become our friend and create more applications using this technology. So thank you very much for asking me. We're at booth A56, and we are waiting for you guys to come and visit and ask for details. Thank you very much.
Great. Who do you see as your biggest competitor in this space?
Yeah, so for competitor, assume like WordPress. So WordPress is a company which delivers the non-website, non-developers to deliver their own websites, right? So it's like this. Monaca is trying to focus on the people who don't actually engineer but wants to develop their own application to become the way to do it. So that means, yeah, actually the competitor, maybe for websites, maybe kind of WordPress, but for applications, this is not a content management system, or this is not a development tool itself. So as I see, there aren't so many competitors that focusing on this kind of platform approach.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you all for listening.